You're invited to an online log grazing and plant tour. Hi, I'm Josh Beasley with Honest Abe Log Homes. Several weeks ago, we filmed our first ever online log grazing and made it available to a lot of people that had requested information from us, just like you. So for one more time, we're going to offer this log grazing online. It'll start on June 6th. So between now and June 6th, you have an opportunity to sign up, and on June 6th, we will send the first version, the first clip of the log grazing. So it's going to span 10 days, 10 different videos, and we will basically build a small log cabin out of our product. It's a very small log cabin, all right? So 4 foot by 8 foot, we're going to take a piece of Advantech and start building from there, put logs on it, a ceiling beam system, roof systems, and talk about each of those components and those systems as we go through. So it's a lot of information available there. It's a great opportunity to learn about Honest Abe and our product and the process that goes along with it. After the log grazing's over, we're also going to be filming a plant tour. So, and I'm in the plant now, but I'll be filming a series of videos, probably 4 or 5, that walks through various parts of the plant and talks about our production process. So that will be added on to the log grazing. So a tremendous opportunity to learn and find out more about our log homes. I hope you'll join us. Just interact with the links and everything that accompanies this video, and really appreciate it. Thank you.